How to use Google Calendar for scheduling? Well, it's pretty simple. Let's say I want something to be scheduled for 24th of July. So right now I have opened Google Calendar on my browser, but at the left corner you can see the create button. Click on it, and over here you can create a appointment, task, or event. So I want to schedule an event, so I will choose event. From over here, I'm going to name this event called Gym Day. And over here, what I'm going to do is click on this date option to choose when this event is going to be. So this event is going to be on 24th of July, just like this. And then I'm going to select a time. So it's going to start from 12 a.m. to around 2 a.m. So it's going to be a 2-hour event like this. As you guys can see, it has been created. Now what I can do is, if I want to add other person as well, I can click on add guest and I can send them a mail of this appointment or schedule as well. I can even add the location. After this, I can click on save, and I have just created a schedule. Now over here, I can just open my Google Calendar every day to know when my next event is. So like this, you can create multiple events. All right. So that's how you guys can schedule event and other tasks on Google Calendar. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.